Hey there, Brainiacs, here's a brain teaser for you. What has keys but can't open locks? Think about it for a second. Got your answer? Let's dive in. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of brain teasers. These fun little puzzles are not just entertaining, they really get your brain working. They challenge our thinking and creativity and can be a great way to sharpen our problem-solving skills. Ready to give it a shot? Let's go. All right, here's your first brain teaser. A farmer has 17 sheep and all but 9 die. How many sheep does he have left? Take a moment to think it over. Picture it in your mind, and let's see if you can come up with the answer. Remember, sometimes the simplest wording can lead to the trickiest answers. You've got about 30 seconds to figure it out. While you ponder, let's talk about how to approach these brain teasers. One strategy is to break the problem down into smaller parts. Ask yourself what the question is really asking. In this case, focus on the words all but. This can be a game changer. Look for keywords that might point you toward the answer, and don't be afraid to think outside the box. Brain teasers are all about perspective, so try viewing the problem from different angles. Okay, time's up. The answer to the farmer's riddle is 9 sheep. The key phrase here was all but 9, meaning 9 are still alive. It's a clever twist that really makes you think. How did you do? Did you get it right? Don't worry if you didn't. It's all part of the fun. Now let's move on to the next challenge. To wrap things up, we've tackled our first brain teaser, and I hope you enjoyed it. These puzzles are not just for fun, they're a fantastic way to give your brain a workout. Remember, the more you practice, the better you'll get at solving them. So what did you think? Did you solve it? Let me know your answers in the comments below. And if you have any brain teasers of your own, share those too. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun challenges, and I'll catch you in the next video. Keep those brains sharp, folks.